Hey guys, I don't know how many of you saw the unboxing video of the premium starter kit, so I'm going to do it again. I'll point out the differences, but they're not many. For one, the tape is already cut. Alright, here is your packing slip and your Essential Edge newsletter. Here's some of the packing stuff. Here's your oils in a nifty little sleeve and box that I will get to. Your Desert Mist Diffuser. If you choose this one, you can choose a different one. Your product guide. And their Essential Oils magazine. So, I'm gonna go ahead and come back. This will be saran wrapped, sealed, whatever. It's already been removed. You're gonna go ahead and slip this sleeve off. It's gonna come with Thieves household cleaner info and what exactly is in your starter kit. And then, so here is the beautiful box. You're gonna find the tab, pull it, it's just a little magnet, very easy to open. Comes with some information about the oils in the box and how to use them, whether it's diffusing, aromatically, topically, or ingesting. That is right in there. And then you've got your first set of oils. These are all the Vitality ones. Here are some other ones that are very, very easy to use. Raven, Valor, Panaway, Lavender, Frankincense. Raven is good for the chest when you're congested. Valor is good for self-confidence and snoring. Panaway is good for sore muscles. Lavender is good sleep support, skin support, relaxing, of course. Frankincense is good for the skin and just a general calming and grounding as it is. These are all good for consuming. Love peppermint. You can use it in peppermint bark, or you can use it like a regular oil for headaches. That's what I love it for. Lemon, love it in water. Thieves, great immunity support. Citrus Fresh, I've been using that on chicken lately, and Digize helps with your digestion. All right, and then back to the box. There's another tab. Go ahead and pull that out. And you've got your Thieves hand purifier. I believe they are now working on changing the label to read hand sanitizer. We've got a Thieves sample bottle. You can also keep it for on the go for shopping carts or restaurant tables or bathroom handles. You've got your Stress Away. Love this one with my two very active little girls. Peace and Calming, also for my active little girls. And when I get frustrated with them. You've got your two aroma gliders. You would just pop these in after removing the little dropper on the bottles. And your Ningxia. You're going to pop these in the fridge. A lot of people like to drink them with bubbly water or as part of their morning smoothies, post-workout smoothies, all of it. It's all good. So this is the premium starter kit for half off, you guys.